Lulu's tiny sneakers thumped excitedly against the sidewalk. Her brand-new backpack, emblazoned with a glittery unicorn, bounced between her shoulder blades. Today was the day she finally traded crayons for pencils, sandbox fortresses for alphabet blocks, and the familiar symphony of birdsong for the mysterious melody of butterflies, as nervous as they were colourful, fluttered in Lulu's stomach. The school loomed ahead, a majestic brick building with giant oak trees standing guard like gentle giants. "Don't worry, sweetie," her mom reassured, squeezing Lulu's hand. "You'll make new friends and learn so much." But making friends felt as daunting as climbing Mount Everest in her shiny purple shoes. What if everyone already knew each other? What if she tripped on her shoelaces and everyone laughed? Lulu took a deep breath, inhaling the crisp autumn air, and stepped through the school gates. A kaleidoscope of sounds and smells washed over her. The rhythmic squeak of sneakers on polished floors, the cheerful hum of chatter, the sharp scent of freshly sharpened pencils. Suddenly, a hand gripped hers. A boy with a gap-toothed grin and a wild mop of hair beamed at her. "Hi, I'm Max. You new here?" Lulu, surprised but relieved, mumbled a shy hello. Max, a whirlwind of energy, promptly dragged her on a tour. They peeked into a classroom where children painted vibrant rainbows, giggled at the funny faces in the music room, and even spied on a science experiment involving bubbling potions and googly eyes. By the time the lunch bell rang, Lulu's butterflies had transformed into friendly bumblebees. She sat with Max and a girl named Maya, whose lunchbox had a dancing unicorn sticker, almost as cool as hers. They munched on sandwiches, giggling over silly jokes and sharing stories about their favourite pet rock. After lunch, they built a magnificent castle out of alphabet blocks, each letter a stepping stone into the magical world of words. Lulu discovered the thrill of sounding out sentences, the pride of writing her own name, and the sheer joy of learning something new. When the final bell rang, Lulu skipped out of school, no longer a wide-eyed butterfly, but a confident caterpillar, ready to spin her own colourful cocoon of knowledge and friendship. As she walked home, hand in hand with Max and Maya, she knew that school wasn't just a place with books and desks. It was a playground for adventures, a garden for growing friendships, and a sky full of possibilities waiting to be discovered. The day Butterflies Met Books wasn't just the title of her first day. It was the beginning of a story she was excited to write. Chapter by chapter, letter by letter, friend by friend,